Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. OMG, I make this sticker rice. This is suman. I prepare this for tomorrow. Global ASH Global Food Tour in our workplace. This is banana leaves. Yes, I make suman first. Yes, I have to bring tomorrow. Yes, this is banana leaves. You know, this is a banana leaves. Very good smell. Yes, I make suman. Suman is the call that is a sticky rice wrapping banana leaves. Yes, I make now suman. I'm excited to show what I have a food tomorrow to taste everyone. Hope you like it, and I know if you taste this, you looking me. Yeah, looking me in us again. Yes, if you asking me to make this, I make for you. Yes, my friend, true. Yes, very true. Yes, I'm excited to bring this tomorrow. Hope you like it to eat this. Oh my God, this is very yummy. I make first this is suman, and then I make next biko. Biko is sticky rice, but this one is glutinous rice, but different taste, different. This is suman. There's have a taste a bit salty and a bit sweet. That's why. Yes mga kaibigan, kapag ka naman natikman ito kahit pa tayo mga Pilipino, lalo na tayo, namimiss natin ang ganito mga panlasa. Ayun na nga po mga kaibigan, na isa lang na hindi at kumukulo-kulo na po. Yes, takpan ng makontinue ang pagluluto. Excited talaga akong bring ito tomorrow para sa mga kaibigan na hindi pa nakakatikim nito. At matitikman din nila, ay nabubulol si Inday, pasensya na po. Matitikman din nila ang Filipino dish. This is sticky rice, suman, and biko. Yes, hope you like it tomorrow. Excited akong dahil ito sa aming workplace. Talaga naman ang global tour food talaga ito. Yes, ito na nga. Abay, binalutan ko na ng plastic para naman hindi langawin. Ay, may mga dala rin ako. Yes, nagdala rin ako ng extra na container para sa mga mauubusan. This is it.
Yep.
Global food tour for today, 18th of November. Yes. More food here. Come to visit here. Yes, the beautiful more flags, different country are there. Yes, look at that. And now we are here at the staff room. There's a different kind of food here. Different countries. Yes, different countries are here at our food. Filipino food dish. Yes. Suman and biko. Abay, may puto pati kababayan natin. Abay, nagdala rin na yan. Abay, basta't mga Pilipino dis, abay. Meron pa leche flan. Abay, talaga naman. Ayan ang iba naman food ng different countries. Oo, ayan po, may Australian food doon. At talaga naman, wala pa dito yung iba. Oo, kaya ito yung minarapat ko na hanggang dito na lang ang video ni Inday. At talaga naman, may gagawin pa si Inday. Oo, next time na lang. Kunti pa lang itong pagkain. Talagang punong-puno po itong table na ito. Very full, more food at this time, oo. But I need to cut my videos. Paano ba yan? Paalam na at kainan na nga po ito. Dumating ng mga bisita. Abay, makikikain na rin tayo. Tikman natin ang different kinds of food. Iba-ibang countries. Abay, talaga naman, paunti-unti lang talaga ang kuha din at napakarami talaga. Talagang pasensya na, hindi ko na natapos lahat ng pagkain, hindi ko na nakunan. Talaga, try all foods here. Oo, talaga ma-try natin. Talaga naman matitikman natin different kind of food. Thanks for watching. Be safe all.